Welcome to all of you for another session in this first series of revision in mathematics. Now, by the help of this video, you will be check your concept and your preparation regarding your half-yearly exams, and you are able to revise a chapter one by one with the help of these questions. So everyone read all the questions carefully and try to solve without seeing their solution on your book. So note down the questions on your revision copy, recall your concept, and try to solve all the questions within a time. After completion of your test, on our next class, we will be discuss on these important terms and some difficult questions related to your chapter 1. So proceed to question number 1. Everyone read carefully. All the questions are subject to, means only in the form of fill in the blanks in first series. Okay, now if a is an integers, then a divided by 0 equal to, how can we getting these values? Given that if a is an integers, then the value of a divided by 0 equal to, that are our question number 1. Next question number 2, the product of two integers is minus 182. The multiplication of two integers is minus 182 if one of the integers is 13. Find other integers. Okay, what are given that the multiplication of two integers are minus 182, one of them are 13. Calculate the another integers. Okay, recall your concept. How can you calculate the another integers? Third one, if a is an integers, then a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. Okay, everyone know if 1 is multiplying any numbers, answer becomes self numbers. So, but it is a which property, what's property of the integers? Okay, again recall your formulas and concept. Give the properties for a minus b not equal to b minus a. Okay, you can take some values a equal to 2, b equal to, and so on. Okay, you can assume that 4. Then calculate a minus b are equal to b minus a or not. But what are the property? What are the name of this property when a minus b is not equal to b minus a? The value of mod minus 6 plus mod minus 9 equal to. Okay, it is very easy questions and directly from your book. The value of 26 into minus 48 into minus 36. The value of minus 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, understand the questions. What are the uh, concept behind these questions? So then you can try. Evaluate minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. What are their values? Question number, next question number 8. An elevator descend into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? It is a very repeated questions in your earlier exams. That questions are also asked. So everyone able to solve these questions. Okay, try to everyone. Your answer becomes incorrect. So what is the zero property? That are the question number 9. What do you mean by zero properties of integers? Write their formulas. A pairs of integers whose difference greater than both the integers. Okay. A pair of integers whose difference greater than both the integers. Means that find such a pair of integers whose difference is greater than both the integers. Okay, have you any problem on these questions? Read carefully 2 times, 3 times, then it is confirmed that you are able to solve the questions. So try to note down the questions on your separate copy. You can make a revision copy, and all the questions are very important for your next exams. And after completion of this series, it may be possible that as soon as possible your next part will be uploaded on these channels. So now, from you who are not subscribe the channel, subscribe your channel, Mission Education Hub. So by the help of this channel, you can getting one more videos regarding to your revisions, and press the bell icon so you can getting notification after uploading my videos. So thanks for watching this video.